I'm a Project Lead the Way teacher. Project Lead the Way is a pre-engineering program offered to high school students. This is the engineering and design class. It's the capstone class for Project Lead the Way. It's where they're supposed to take their creativity and the technical skills that they've learned and apply them to invent something and take it from the problem statement to the design process, through the design process to where they actually market their product.
This is our trade show. Each group you see has done a senior project, which is you can be by yourself or with X amount of people, and you can design something. You know, you got 3 months, go at it. Get your resources, talk to people, market, and just make whatever you want. It was a fun project. It taught me a lot of ways to use the different machines that we have in our workshop, and it taught me a lot of things of just preparing.
It's really just about innovation and marketing. We're doing all new ideas for the systems and products that we picked during class, like almost two quarters ago? Yeah, 2 quarters ago.
We created an eyelash curler that would get heated. Well, we wanted to heat an eyelash curler because as being girls, we know that it's something that we use on a daily basis, and we usually hold a hairdryer to it to make it hot because heat curls faster.
What we're working on is using a 3-axis CNC machine for 3D modeling with slice graphics. You can see here, this is going to be a guitar, this is the front of it, and this is the back. And when those are both all cut out, it'll be glued together. And it'll be a three-dimensional model, much like this. This was my initial project before I joined with Wade to help him with his. And what this is the laptop case.
Me and my partner decided that the education system in America is not where we would like it to be. We started with a Gantt chart over here, and then we justified the problem, which is just basically telling you what the problem is and how to fix it. Current and past solutions, which is like No Child Left Behind. And then we started with the prototype, which is what we ended up doing, which is a bullet list of ideas that can be implemented in any school. And then we went through testing and evaluation all the way up to here, because it takes so long with all the testing and teacher evaluations that we could do. We finally finished off with the marketing to try to get these ideas implemented.
I like that they give you hands-on experience and that they can bring you to other facilities. And like we went to GE and they showed us a bunch of different applications to engineering, how this will actually benefit us in the future.
If you really like doing anything with computers or your hands, I would suggest taking this class because it's really fun.
In 8th grade, we came up here for orientation of the freshman class and just what it was like, and it interested me to pursue engineering. And as I went further into my high school career, I realized that I wanted to be a civil engineer. So luckily for me, I got accepted to RIT to actually study civil engineering there.
Well, what we're trying to do is we're focusing on STEM. We want science and technology and math. Why? Because we're importing all our skills from overseas right now. We don't have enough engineers and technical expertise in this country to meet the demand of our country. So we need to start home growing our own expertise.